this world of me. And today I come up with the greatest information and most controversial issue I want to discuss on today. And I hope so much that you can get something out of it. It can bring home the point and help you to bring extremely enormous changes in your own lives. So my issue is new today, and I'm sure you haven't heard this before, but it seems especially important because every one of us is today facing the same problem. So it's going to be about a game, and it's called the game of life. For most people who has not figured out yet, they think that life is a very dangerous and more terrible war or pattern. But I do believe that this is not a war. Life is exactly not a war. It's a game. It's a game of winning. It's a game of losing. A game of moving forward and backsliding. And a game of great achievements and great depression. And a game of dying or surviving. For the only person in our history who found out that life is a game was Jesus. He found out that whatever we are doing in life, whatever we're cultivating in life, is going to be harvested soon enough. He means by this that if you pay attention to others, then others will pay attention to you. If you show mercy for others, then you will be accompanied by mercy. If you are going to criticize, you will be criticized. In my own ideas, I just define life like this. I think that life is a reflection of everybody's self. Whatever you do, you will return, or you will get it soon enough. That's why try to do something that you get something finally. That's what I just tell you, one power that can help you achieve that victory which you are seeking for more than even years. And that big achievement is going to be your imagination power. We know that whatever we are facing today, every kind of circumstances we have. For example, if we are facing poverty or great challenges, if we are not able to send our kids to school, if we are not able to be happy with what we have and satisfied, then it is just a reflection of your imagination, what you have done a few years ago. And today you have to be satisfied because they were things you strongly wanted a few years ago. And you should not now be disappointed. To understand this idea, to be able to imagine good things in your life, because imagination always works in both sides. It's impartial. It can also bring goods for you, means goodness, and it can be also very dangerous and change your life into great adversity and bring damages inside it. Therefore, if you want to use your imagination power strongly and greatly, then you have to be able to understand and be able to be well known with your mind. Because human's mind is combined of two parts. It's conscious and subconscious. But I just concentrate on subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is just an absolute authority. It's what we call, it does not have any construing or comprehension ability. It's just a loyal slave to each of us. And what we have to do is order it directly and orderly. Because if we cannot control this, if we cannot say our words properly, means we order our mind in a way, the subconscious mind, in a way that it's going to return back in a very dangerous way. That's why be careful to order that subconscious mind or that loyal slave of yours very carefully, because whatever you say is going to be carved and written in that subconscious mind. And gradually, when you're going to repeat that, soon enough, it's going to be changed to its physical form. So now, I just want to end my words by saying that you have to be careful, because that subconscious mind is extremely cautious and will always do whatever you say. and is always very, very curious and searching for new ideas. Whatever your actions will say, it will act. Whatever is going to be given into life from you is going to be written in that subconscious mind and change its physical. Thank you so much.